Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azerigoziri. Today we go still talk about another defense to crime. Defense wey be say dem tell you say you commit crime. The defense wey you go put up for court or for police. One of this defense na defense wey dem dey call alibi, or you call am alibi. Anyone wey you wan call am. The spelling na alibi. Alibi. Wetin this another name for alibi na I no dey there. Na the name wey I give am. The defense of alibi, aka I no dey there o. This wetin alibi mean be say this crime wey dem talk say I commit, I no dey there as at that time. I no dey there, and e no dey possible say okay, for example dem say I commit crime for Rumokoro Junction, and I know say as at that time wey that crime happen I dey Rumola Junction, so my defense na alibi, aka I no dey there. As this defense sound, e dey easy abi, but e no dey easy like that. Now the time wey you bring this defense, e dey very important o. I know why I dey talk, because some of una, if police arrest una go talk another thing for station. Arrest una go talk another thing for station, then go court go talk another thing. When e happen like this, court jail you go say judge collect bribe, or you go say lawyer no do im work well. When police arrest you, you see that thing wey you know say you go talk for court if matter reach court, na wetin go be your statement for police station. Wetin I mean, for example dem say dem go thief for Rumokoro Junction, and I know say as at that time wey dem go thief for Rumokoro Junction, I dey for my shop for Rumola Junction. Wetin you go tell wetin you go write for your statement be say I no dey there, and I know how you go dey for the other English. I no dey there as at that time wey that thing happen, I dey so place dey do so thing. Na so you go write am for station. No be when for station you don speak English, speak grammar, write story tire, when you reach court you go talk say I bin no dey there when that thing happen. The defense fit no work, e fit no work for you. So when police catch you, you know, so for example dem say you say you na mostly for thief, say you thief something, you go tell dem say see look police for your statement. For example dem say dem thief for Rumokoro around 10 a.m. and that 10 a.m. you know say you no dey there. Wetin you go write be say you no go know say na alibi, you no go know, na lawyer know, na police people know. You fit write say I no dey there as at the time this thing happen, I no dey there. Finish, no story again. Then you go come put who you dey with that time. You go put where you dey, who you dey with, and wetin you bin dey do at that time. E dey very important. No just talk say I no dey there without you no put where you dey and who you dey with. Don raise this defense of alibi, you go talk where you dey, who you dey with, and wetin una bin dey do. And when you don talk, when you talk all these things, where you bin dey when that thing happen, because e no dey possible say you go dey two places at the same time. Na wetin the defense dey talk be say look police, look court, I no fit dey two places at the same time. If you dey raise this defense, once you don put all these things where you dey as at that time, who you dey with, and wetin you dey do, na the work of police now to go investigate true whether these things dem wey you talk na true. No be your work. And remember say if you dey give all these things, you no talk am well, maybe you talk say you no talk where you bin dey, or maybe you talk say you bin dey Rumola, now later you talk say you bin dey GRA Junction, or later you bin talk say you dey Diogo. Police no go investigate that one, because that one na you don dey confuse yourself, wan come confuse police join. But talk am straight where you dey at that time and wetin you bin dey do. Once you talk am, the where you wetin you talk dey clear, na the work of police to go investigate am. If police fail to investigate am, na police go suffer am, no be you. Your own na to give correct detail of where you dey at that time. If police no go check wetin you tell dem, that one concern dem. Now you don't know wetin be alibi. You wey dey watch our video, abeg, when you watch, share. No just watch our video, keep am to yourself. Thank you and God bless you.